Mama, are we really going today?
Yes, Anna.
Really?
Yes, sweetie. Now let's hurry up and get ready, okay?
Sure, Mama. I'll be quick.
I hope everyone's getting ready. We should leave soon.
Almost.
Our flight leaves at 2 p.m.
I'm getting ready, Papa. Coming in 10 minutes.
Hurry up, Abhay. Brush fast. Papa is calling everyone.
Okay, Mama.
Let me help you put your shoes on.
Thank you, Mama. You are so sweet.
Let's hurry up, everyone. I am going to book the taxi. We don't want to be late.
We are ready.
Yes, let's go. I am so excited.
Phone? Wallet? Tickets? Okay. Is the taxi booked?
Yes, Anita, it'll reach here in 5 minutes. Let's get going. The taxi has arrived. Come on, everyone. We're headed to the airport, please. Terminal 3. Sure, sir. OTP, please.
Mama, look, the taxi is here.
Yes, sweetheart. Let's get in the cab. Be careful, Anna, and sit properly.
Okay, Mommy.
Good girl.
I hope you guys are comfortable.
Yes, Papa.
To the airport. You got it.
The seat is nice. I can see everything from here.
Look, Mama, there's so many cars on the road.
There it is. We're almost there now. Please drop us at departure gate. Sure, sir. I'll help you with your luggage, sir. Please wait here. Here you go. Thank you for the ride. Thank you, sir. Have a safe trip.
Hold my hand and stay close. No running around here, okay?
Okay, Mama.
I've got my bag. I'm ready. Come fast, Papa.
Let's go inside, Abe. Stay close.
Yes, Papa.
Mama, there are so many people here.
It's okay, sweetie. Just don't let go of Mama's hand.
We're inside. Let's check in our luggage.
Yes, I think the check-in counter is this way.
Papa, what is check-in?
Check-in is the first step before we fly.
What happens there?
We go to the airline counter, give them our bags, and they weigh them before handing over our boarding passes.
Hello, may I see your tickets? How many bags do you have to check in?
Yes, please. We have 2 bags. We are traveling with our children.
Here is our luggage. This one is heavy. That's fine, ma'am. Please place it carefully.
Our bag is going inside, Mama. Will we see it again? My toys are inside the bag.
Don't worry, dear. We will get it after we land.
Okay, Mama.
Here, this one is yours. Don't lose it.
I'll hold it tight, Mama.
Our gate is number 20. We still have some time.
Security check is next. We have to go that way.
I have my bag ready.
Keep your boarding passes carefully with you. We are heading for security check-in now. Please put your bag in the tray. Please keep mobile and laptop separately.
All right, I'll do that now. Stand here and wait for your turn.
Okay, Mama, but what are we waiting for?
The security officer will check us now.
Boarding pass, please. Here is my boarding pass. Thank you.
I have my hands up in the air. I am ready for the checking.
Phone is here. Ready to board the plane now.
Security is done. Now we head to the boarding gate.
Look, Ma, our plane is waiting outside. I cannot wait to get in. Can I have my favorite snacks inside the plane?
Yes, dear. The boarding will begin soon. And yes, you may eat whatever you like. After all, it's your first flight.
Papa, what if I need to use the toilet on the plane? Where will I go?
Don't worry. There are small toilets on the plane.
Oh, really? But where does the poop go? Does it fall on people below?
No, that does not happen. The good question, Abhay.
Passengers, please proceed for boarding.
That's our cue. Let's go. It's time to board.
This is special. It's the first time all 4 of us have taken a flight together.
You are right, Anita.
Wow, the clouds look like cotton candy. I could just eat them up. No.
Would you like to order something, sir?
Just water for us, please.
Looks like we are about to land.
Yes, it was a comfortable journey. Would you like to be a part of the rest of our trip? Please follow and we'll meet you soon.
Bye!